Hello everybody, my name is Kamagati Ajara Aida. I'm from University of Dallas. Today I'm going to present my project and the title is Fraud Detection Automobile Insurance Claim. Now, introduction. Nowadays, fraud detection is in automobile insurance claim is on the rise. Insurance fraud is any act of fraud that a person commits to collect money through a false claim they provide to an insurance provider. Automobile insurance get the most falsified claim. People tend to deceive insurance company by faking detail of how accident occur or lying about having a collision or a car theft to collect insurance money. Sometimes people also go as far as falsify a police report to use for their claim. All these are primarily an example of misusation of insurance. Insurance fraud impact consumer by adding extra fees and the cost of consumer goods and services. It also leads insurance company to deny benefit that is due to others. To analyze my data set, I use Excel, and this is the first graph I'm going to explain to you. This graph talk about fraud reported based on yes or no. When I say yes or no, it means that when is no, it means that there's no fraud. When it's orange, it means that there's fraud. Here we have 25% of fraud based on the data set I have and 75% that is not fraud. So no means that there's no fraud. Yes means there is a fraud. This is the second graph for incident type based on the claim reported. There's four different type of accident type. We have multi vehicle collision, parked car, single vehicle collision, and vehicle theft. And you can see here in zero we have 244.7. Multi vehicle collision we have 140, and the parked car we have anything because the thing is low, and the single vehicle collision is 117. Number one is 753. So this is the third graph I have. The police report based on the answer yes or no and also to 0 to 1 which determine fraud. This is the police report available. There's one, there's no, there's yes, there's zero, there's no, there's yes. But here I was just trying to solve like if the police report availability help to reduce the claim fraudulent. On one we have 753. No, we have 511. Yes, 242. 0, 247, and no, 175. And yes, we have 72. So it was just to trying to solve if the police report availability help to reduce the claim fraudulent. So this is my last result. This graph talk about fraud reported based on incident city. 0 to 1, which one determine which one is the fraud. So in different city we have different number, and that number qualify the number of the fraud each city have. In conclusion, in this project my goal was to find out if the police report availability help reducing fraudulent claim and what other feature in our dataset contribute more in the production of fraudulent claim. Due to our imbalanced dataset, the proportion between police report being available and claim being not fraud and the police report not being fraudulent is not so significant, so I can conclude it is not really helping and reducing fraudulent claim. Among the 39 features in our dataset, the only 5 features have find that wage more, which are the incident severity, insurance OB, automobile accident state, and insurance occupation. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you like it. Put some comment, and if you don't understand, feel free to ask me. Thank you.